everyone. How are you? Are you doing okay? Are you in the snow or rain or hot heat? We had snow these couple days and maybe 3, 4, 5 inches thick snow on the ground. But the temperature is not so bad, so I'm glad. But well, it's winter, so I have to enjoy the snow, looking at snow from the inside out. How about you? Do you like snow and play with it? That's great. So today's lesson is that how to say excuse me when you accidentally bump into somebody, or when you are in the grocery store and cut through front of the people, you say excuse me, right? And also some other time, when you want to get attention of the somebody, store people, or somebody who's a little bit distant from you, you said excuse me. That's the word we're gonna learn today. Japanese word how to say excuse me. It is すいません。すいません。すいません。We usually say すいません, but you can also say すみません。すみません。すみません。Either way, you can use すいません or すみません. This one's too, with about すいません or すみません. When you get attention of somebody else, then you don't have to bow. You just すみません. You just say すいません. That's today's word. すいません. Excuse me. すいません or すみません. You bump into somebody, you say すいません. Or you cut through front of the people, すみません. Or when you want to call maybe in a restaurant, you want to get attention of the waiter or waitresses, then you say すみません. すいません. You can hear that all the time. It's a polite way to call somebody or say and apologize for something you accidentally did, bump into somebody or cut through front of the people. Something like that. You say すみません or すいません. I can practice with you slowly. Okay? Let's do that. すいません. 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 Or すみません. 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 The regular speed is すみません. すいません. That fast, a little bit too fast for you, but we can practice together. すいません. すみません. Sumimasen. That's a Japanese word for excuse me. Then today's song. A song which use the word sumimasen. I found it. It's 1970s song. Who are a male singer-songwriter, a male. His name is Masashi Sada. He's a very funny person and says lots of jokes, but his songs are so good, so touching to your heart. But this song, which uses sumimasen, is kind of a funny song, gag song. It's about a young girl wanted to have a boyfriend, and she said she doesn't believe in God, but she wants to have a boyfriend. So she prays to God, God, please bring me a handsome guy. Then one day when it's rained, then this nice boy comes to her house. Beneath the house, how do you say? Stopping the rain. He stopped there until the rain stops. Then she said, "Oh, he's so nice, but he has teeth with bad teeth from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, just like me. He has the bad teeth." That's in the song. Then this girl liked him and prayed to God, please let me see him again. That is the meaning of this song. So I'm gonna go singing for you. それはまだ私が神様を信じなかった頃、9月のとある木曜日に雨が降りまして、こんな日に素敵な彼が現れないかと思ったところにあなたが雨宿り。すいませんねと笑うあなたの笑顔とても凛々しくて、前歯から右に4本目に虫歯がありまして、仕方がないので買ったばかりのスヌーピーのハンカチ貸してあげたけど傘の方が良かったかしら。でも爽やかさがとても素敵だったので、ここは苦しい時だけど神頼み。もしもできることでしたれば、あの人にもう一度会わせてちょうだいませませ。That's the first version. It's kind of long song. It has the 3 version and the chorus too. So, but it's just the first version had すいません。すいませんねと笑うあなたの笑顔とても凛々しくて。It's a fun song. I liked it. The song and also the singer-songwriter too. Masashi Sada. That's my favorite singer. How was today's lesson? すいません。すみません。すいません。すみません。I hope you can use it wherever you to somebody in accident or cut front of the people at the grocery store, or when you're at the restaurant, you get attention of the waiter or waitress. Sumimasen, sumimasen. That's how I use it. This is almost end of January. I'll think about many more words that we can enjoy learning and pronounce with you and me. We all can learn Japanese slowly but surely. Practice. I've been practicing English recently since my New Year's resolution is getting better English speaker. I get speaking better English. That's how my New Year's resolution. So I've been practicing it at least 1 hour a day, every day. I've been shadowing other persons speaking English. I've been shadowing it, like copycat talking. So that's my practice. Your practice would be sumimasen or sumimasen. Either way you can use when you want to say excuse me. Then I would like to hear from you, whatever you want to know, the word, Japanese word or sentence or song or anything. Ask me anything, questions. Please comment and email or whatever, however, contact me. I'm waiting to hear from you. Then we're gonna see you next week. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Bye.